What grand opening ideas work best for a pop-up drink stand? The best grand opening ideas combine a limited-time freebie, a simple loyalty reward, and a bit of local buzz, like offering the first 50 customers a free topping or a buy-one-get-one deal while tagging nearby businesses on social media to borrow their audience. Think of your pop-up stand like a brand new lemonade stand on the block, except everyone walking by has no idea it even exists yet. So your grand opening is basically your one shot to make noise. A trick a lot of stand owners do not know is called the anchor drink strategy, where you pick one signature drink and make it wildly cheap or free for opening day, because people remember one amazing thing way more than 5 average things. Another secret is timing your opening around a local event, like a farmer's market or a weekend sports game, so you are borrowing foot traffic instead of creating it from nothing. You also want a simple punch card or digital reward, so first-time customers have a reason to come back within the same week, since repeat visits in the first 7 days build habits fast. Bright, handmade signs with bold colors placed a block away, not just at your stand, pull people in before they even see the actual booth. Lastly, filming short video clips of people's reactions on opening day gives you free content to post for weeks afterward. One common mistake is running out of cups, ice, or syrup because owners underestimate how fast a good deal spreads, so always prep for triple your expected turnout on day one. Another issue is forgetting to collect contact information like an email or phone number, which means you lose the chance to bring people back later, so set up a quick sign-up sheet or a scannable code at the stand. A lot of people also skip weather backup plans, so keep a small tent or umbrella ready since one rainy hour can ruin your entire opening if you are not prepared. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.